Imagine yourself as a traveler, setting out on a grand adventure, equipped with nothing but a lantern of curiosity and a map of introspection. Along the way, you encounter the landscapes of your own thoughts, emotions, and experiences, each revealing a piece of the puzzle that is your true self. Self-discovery isn't about finding answers, it's about asking questions. It's about daring to explore yourself through trying new references, compositions, and different kind of art to find their own peace in it. Self-discovery is also profoundly liberating. It's a journey of empowerment as you recount ownership of your own narrative and a path that is quietly yours. It's a journey of self-acceptance as you learn to love and embrace yourself, flaws and all. Ultimately, self-discovery is a lifelong quest, an ever-folding and ever-unfolding journey of growth and transformation. It's about becoming the author of your own story, the architect of your own destiny, and as you navigate the twists and turns this grand adventure called life, may you always remember that the greatest treasure you can ever find is the discovery of your own true self. Somewhere I had read a quote about it, that is, the biggest adventure